We've had a drone program at the OFM-EM for approximately 3 years now. We started out with one drone and we've evolved into 6 major drones that we can use on the scene. We're here today to introduce the capabilities of drones to the fire service and the emergency services and how they can be used on a scene for incident command to facilitate their job. Also how to limit the risk of the first responders from going into a hot zone.
So we're here actually supporting Justice faculty as they integrate drones into their curriculum. The purpose of today is to actually look at how we use drones in the emergency response industry. There's really no set protocol, so at this point we're exploring alongside the emergency services. This room is great because we're the only college that has this emergency operations center, and we're actually able to stream feeds in from a variety of locations, and you actually saw a number of drone feeds being fed in real time, so an incident commander could actually stand in this room and actually guide a response based on the images he's seeing.
As far as I know, this is the first event of its kind in Canada to bring emergency responders all together. Most of our group is sort of GTA based. Mohawk was a connection we made, and we didn't really realize how far along in their program they are. Mohawk brings a lot of capabilities, either on the drone side. They have the cyber security program, a lot of sort of good technical foundation work. Things like 3D printing to be able to make tools that can be adapted and manufacture them for drone systems.